help you reduce sodium in your diet, it is important to cook with fresh foods or choose frozen and canned foods with no added sodium. Many canned foods and flavored frozen foods are seasoned with salt and other sodium-containing ingredients, resulting in a very high sodium content. When you see the words seasoned or sauce on a package, be aware of the sodium content. Always check the nutrition facts label. If you have questions about nutrition labels, be sure to visit myplate.gov. Along with resources for building a healthy plate, there are many tips on how to check nutrition labels for sodium content. When comparing the typical recipe that uses pre-seasoned frozen vegetables to the nutrient-dense recipe using a salt-free seasoning blend, you can see a significant reduction in the amount of sodium in the nutrient-dense recipe. Today I will use a frozen broccoli and cauliflower blend, but you can swap out any vegetable you like. I recommend using frozen if you are in a time crunch. It saves prep time by not having to rinse, trim, and chop the vegetables. If you are using fresh vegetables, keep in mind that you may not need to roast the vegetables for as long. For this recipe, you want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, combine the frozen 1 pound of broccoli and cauliflower, 1½ teaspoons of vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of our everyday salt-free seasoning blend. Toss the vegetables until they're well coated. I am using the everyday salt-free seasoning blend. Use any spice blend or try other herb and spice blend recipes on the handout, A Beginner's Guide to Salt-Free Seasoning Blends, to see what you like best. The other option is to create your own salt-free seasoning blend with your favorite herbs and spices. Once the vegetables are coated, lay the seasoned vegetables on a foil-lined baking sheet in a single layer and bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a great recipe for making a large batch at the beginning of the week and portioning it out for meals throughout the week. You could pair it with the brown rice and the herb sauce chicken, or you can add it to other meals as a side dish.